and my partner is Diana. Okay. Now, I want to explain about the past simple. When we use the past simple, we can use the past simple to talk about a completed or finished action in the past. The action started and finished in the past. And then my partner is going to tell you about that verb imperative. So, in the particle, we have two forms, was and were.
Just remember this little thing that we use was when it's singular, and you use were when it's plural. Like I, he, she is singular, you use was. In negative form, was. So in plural form, you use were